And when I say three, drop it and smash it. Hold on, let me count to three, all right? Just have fun with it. Who cares? Don't worry about being embarrassing. Just have fun with it and let it roll. And I'll crank the music up. 1, 2.